How to redeem Love2shop gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem Love2shop gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your phone and then search for Love2shop. Now once you search for Love2shop, you have to go to this website love2shop.co.uk. And then once you're on the website, wait for a few seconds, and then here it says got a gift card or a e-gift card. Then here you have to tap on manage, activate and spend Love2shop. So tap here and then you have to enter your Love2shop email address and password here and tap on login. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. To create a new one, you can tap on here register an account. So if you have an account and fill in these details and tap on login. So let me log in quickly. And once you log in, here you will see the box to enter your card or e-gift card number. So enter the card or e-gift card number here and then tap on submit. And this is how you can redeem your Love2shop gift card. Thanks for watching.